Welcome to Department of Personality Development, SRM University, Delhi NCR, Sonipat. The vision of the department is to impart soft skill training to students to make them professionals with social sensitivity, which will help them achieve best positions in the society. Let's hear what our students feel about these classes.
I believe personality development as a subject is really important. All the soft skills, whether it be communication, team building, empathy, cannot be taught but can only be learned through practice. We get to step up and speak, interact, and question. It would definitely help us be better prepared for the outside world.
Personality development classes has helped me learn a lot. It helps me learn techniques through which I can deal with stress and anxiety of student life. This is the class where we learn, share, interact, engage on every topic which is important for our daily life. This is the session where we learn how to be a professional individual.
Personality development classes has helped me a lot by teaching me how to manage my time properly according to the time management matrix, prioritizing my stuff according to it. Moreover, it has also helped me to realize what my strengths and weaknesses are.
Personality development classes have helped me to interact with many students of my class. I also feel that in these classes, we not only learn from the faculty but also the students. The best part is that in these classes, we get to know many real life experiences or practical examples that help us to lead a life in a way.
From the starting of first semester, personality development classes helps me to take the path of positive attitude, and it also helps in developing the communication skills, which forms an integral and vital part of my personality. It also works in developing the leadership skills, thus carving out a strong, dynamic, result-oriented personality out of
PD
me.
classes have been revolutionary for me, as there's a lot of change in me that I feel every day. I feel more confident, more disciplined, and more efficient. And the way I think has changed drastically. I became a better version of myself, and a lot more things have changed in me that are all due to PD classes.
In today's era, soft skills play a key role in shaping up our career, and most of the students pay an undue attention to the hard skills only, and somehow ignoring the interpersonal area. Now here comes in the personality development. I've been attending the classes of personality development since the beginning of my semester, and they are really beneficial in developing my personality, from boosting up my communication skills till making me a professional in personality development, including each and every aspect of personality.
Taking personality development classes of our university has helped me a lot to brush up my soft skills. I have come out to be a better version of myself. I can put my thoughts into words more clearly and in a professional way. The chains that were holding me behind became ephemeral, and I got more fluent and confident.
The personality development classes at our college have helped me grow a lot as a person. Not only I got to learn about topics like resume making and work etiquettes, which would help me get a job, but I also got to understand and discuss a lot of life-related topics like ethics, morality, and happiness from different point of views. And while doing all of this, I could interact a lot with my classmates.
PD classes have really helped me to overcome my hesitation and boosted my confidence as well. Today, I'm a better version of myself, and in future, I can ensure that with their guidance and help of our PD teachers, I'm gonna surpass my limits which come in between during my communication.
The subject of personality development has been an integral part of our curriculum, and it has helped us all discover the potential we had in ourselves. The subject has taught us a number of skills, be it delivering a speech or making ethical decisions. More than that, it has taught us to be adaptable in any kind of space and polished our personalities, deeming us fit for living in the society, yet standing out as an individual.
Appearances makes impressions, but it is the personality that makes an impact. Personality is the fusion of characteristics of a person which evolves due to many factors and makes an individual unique. Hence, the personality development classes are important as they prepare us for our professional lives.
In my very first PD class, I asked that why do we need these classes? So what I have came to realize is that we all possess a personality unique to us, and these classes are providing us the environment where we can enhance them.
The department is committed to holistic development of students by encouraging students to accept challenges and improve their problem solving skills, training and inspiring them to achieve their professional goals, and improving their communication, interpersonal, and presentation skills. It provides an environment where students understand the basics of soft skills and develop their personality, making them emotionally intelligent and responsible citizens.